Yes, just wanted to talk to you about Realty Partners and our expansion into the Orlando market. It's an excellent opportunity for realtors that have been in the game for a while, new realtors that are looking to get into the game and the market, and experienced realtors that are looking to exit the market in about 4 or 5 years from now. Realty Partners gives you the tools that you need to work your business, the new technology tools that you may not have access to at your current broker. For those that are new in the market, there are tools that will help you succeed with the business in a much more efficient manner than you would have otherwise. Cuts the learning curve tremendously. Those that are looking to exit the market, we have a unique program where the realtors have a great percentage of ownership in the company, and as little as 5 years you can have a retirement income, which is unheard of in our industry currently. So just wanted to let you know that we are big and moving pretty fast into the Orlando market, and would love to talk to you and to bring you on board at some point. Thank you very much.
Awesome.